I am here to present the passing package for the subject application development using Python. So this video is suitable for computer science and engineering, electronics and communication, and related branches. So moving on to the discussion, in the first module, you need to study the fundamentals of Python. So you can expect the question like this: explain the salient features of Python. Try to write at least 6 to 7 salient features of Python, like simple and easy to learn, in interpreted language. It's an object, it follows OOPS concept, object-oriented concept. And moreover, it's platform independent, open source, that is a plus point. Extensive library support, dynamic typed. Also, it will support a graphical user interface and a web application. So you may get like 6 marks questions. Moreover, like a very important type, flow control statement. So you have to explain about the flow control statement. Okay. Like a statement that control the execution of order of the program. So different type of flow control statements are if else, if else, if else. It is also known as if else ladder, for loop, while loop, break, continue, and pass. Like that, you will be getting so much of flow control statement. So in that, you may get a separate question like, what do you mean by conditional branching? Whenever you get a question like a conditional branching, you are supposed to explain about like a if else, if ladder. Okay, so try to draw the flow chart, operation in a simple manner with silly examples, simple examples. Similarly, they may ask about explain the different type of loops. For loops and while loops are most popular. So try to explain about the for loop and while loop with a simple flow chart as well as simple program. If your program is very important, okay, because you are studying Python, right? Similarly, what are the flow control statement? Flow control statement. Mainly like a loop control statement, not flow control, loop control. Break and continue, break, continue, pass, all are actually called a loop control statement. Okay, try to write the example like this. We want only the program snippet. No need to bother much more about the syntax. But you need to convey the examiner that you know the fundamentals of Python, you know the concept of flow control in a simple and easy fashion. That is only you are expected to do. No need to think too much. So only this much you have to explain, right? Similarly, we have the following important question. Explain integer, floating point data type, string data type. How do you perform string concatenation? I mean string joining. What is the meaning of like a Boolean operators? Explain the comparison operators. Similarly, local and a global variable. Explain the concept of local variable and a global variable. Okay, so it is related to function only. So meaning of local variable. So similarly, local variable is applicable only within the function. But a global variable or global variable is like valid throughout the program. That is the speciality of local and global variable. Global keyword is also you can expect. What is the meaning of return statement? What is exception handling? Okay, sometimes 1/0. You might have heard about 1/0. 1/0 is not defined. So suppose a program comes under 1/0, it is going to stuck in between. To overcome that, we need to use exception handling statements such as try, except, like that. There are so many exception handling, assertion. So try to study about the exception handling. Similarly, sys.exit. So entire notes are available in my like PPT. So that PPT will be shared in the Google Drive. Kindly access the Google Drive link through my video description box. Kindly visit once. After watching this, you can go through the individual notes so that you can explain more on it. Because this is only the passing tips and the simple short notes. Similarly, palindrome using function. First of all, you have to define a function called a palindrome. Here you are using the keyword called a def. It's a user-defined function. Later on, you are providing the condition. Inside the condition, you need to use a list we are going to use. Then if else statement we are going to provide. Then ask the user to enter the string. String is nothing but group of character. So check whether the string is palindrome or not. You will get a result. It is palindrome. Similarly, that collage sequence very important. Try to study the program of collage sequence. That is also important. So take care of those programs. Similarly, area calculation, rectangular and triangle. You have to ask the input from the user regarding radius. Then you need to calculate the area. Simple. 3.14. That is pi r square. Pi star r star r. Star operator you are going to use. 3.14 is a constant. Like that, you can calculate the area of the rectangle by taking the input from the user, that is length and breadth. So floating point data type can be used because decimal value also can be accepted. Similarly, area of the triangle, half BH, 0.5 star H star B1. You can check the program. It is very simple. Everybody can understand this. So these are the basics of Python, which you studied in the module number 1. As soon as you finish the module number 1, do the revision. Later on, come back to module number 2. Here you need to study about the list, dictionary, and the string. Okay, study what is list. List is a collection of data by using you are going to use the square bracket. Okay, collection of data, multiple. It is an ordered one. Moreover, list is mutable. Mutable means it can be changed. So different type of list methods are very important. Whenever you are studying, you study about what is appending, what is insertion, remove, pop, sort, reverse, index, quote. All the details are available in my PPT. Please go through it one by one. Okay, these are the list method with the suitable examples. Similarly, second one is called dictionary. Dictionary is a collection of data in the form of key value pair. For example, you can see student is a dictionary name. In that name is called key. Rahul is known as value. Key is mapped to value. USN is the key, and 1RV21CS001, that is a value, key and value. Okay, then that is actually called a dictionary. Similarly, study the a dictionary method. That is very important. Dictionary method. Set default method you might have heard. That is very important. So try to study the dictionary method. That you please take care of dictionary method. Similarly, string methods. Upper. What is the meaning of upper? String is nothing but collection of character. Upper means convert to uppercase. Lower, convert to lowercase. Then strip. Strip, remove the spaces. Split the string. Join the string. Okay. Then is lower, is upper. Is method is also very important. Request you to go through those methods, which is already available in my PPT. Kindly refer the PPT, which is already available in the description box. Click on the link. It will direct to my drive, which is already stored in that content. Similarly, list replacement program, that is also important. Here you need to know about the list method. Using the list method, you can make use of this list replacement program. That is also important. Nested dictionary is nothing but dictionary within the dictionary. Okay, so that is called a nested dictionary, which will improve the presentation. Okay, display. Similarly, module number 3 is regex. That is known as regular expression. That is the first part. Second part is file handling. What is regular expression? Definition can be asked. A sequence of special characters used for pattern matching. That is called a regex. Okay. It is mainly used for a different type of web applications. Then steps for using the regex. Import one of the module called RE module. Otherwise, it won't work. Create the regex pattern. Use the search, match, and find all method. Similarly, displays the result. Here, find all method is very, very important. They may ask about separately what is the meaning of find all method. Similarly, you have to study about the different type of regex method. Regex symbol. For example, dot, /d, /d capital, /w capital, /s plus star, then question mark. Study all the regex expression. Whenever you get a question like regex, try to provide the table, try to add the table. That will give more weightage. Even when you want to develop a program also, you can, in the right side, you can put a separate table and convey the examiner that you know the different type of regex symbols. Character classes also important. You can give the character classes with the example. For example, it will be represented using the square bracket 0 to 9. That is digit. A to Z uppercase letter. Then cap ABC, not ABC. ABC, A or B or C. So like that you have to convey. Coming to the second part, file handling. In that you have to study about different type of function like open, close, then read, write. Difference between read and write. Okay, so try to follow those things. Similarly, study about shuttle module. What is the meaning of os.path module? That is very important. Importance of os.path module. Similarly, zip file module. All the videos are already available in my channel. Kindly go through it. I made in a simple and easy way. You please go through it. Complete details are available. Logging. Then what is the meaning of ideally debugger? Rising exception. So how do you perform rising exception? So those things are already explained in my class. Also, notes are already shared in the description box. Class and objectives comes under module number 4. It is purely OOPS concept. So difference between class and object. The definition of class and object you can expect it. So give some example also. Okay, objects are derived from the class, right? Class is known as what I can say blueprint, right? So every object will be always having the feature of class, correct? Similarly, different methods you have to study. Different methods like INIT method. It's a special constructor. The specularity is automatically called when the object is going to create. Similarly, initialize the object attribute. That is a specialty of INIT method. What is STR method? Return the string representation of the object used while printing the object. That is the importance of STR method. Very, very important. It's an evergreen question in the concept of OOPS. What is polymorphism? One interface, like many forms. Okay, for example, the print will show polymorphism. Even len will be showing the polymorphism, len function. So that is a specialty in the a Python, which shows follow the OOPS concept. Same function behaves the different for different object. That is an example of polymorphism. Right? As I told you, print, len, etc. Similarly, inheritance. Child class acquire the properties of parent class. The promote the code reusability. That is a peculiarity of inheritance. Okay, Maruti. Maruti is a, what I can say, a parent class. Under Maruti, there are different child classes. Alto, Wagoner, Swift Desire, like that. You can say different type of child class. Child class will always having the feature of parent class. Understood or not? Similarly, what I can say, polymorphism. Importance of polymorphism with example is expected to write in the university examination. Importance of inheritance with a suitable example, that is also expected. Similarly, what I need to convey you, INIT method and STR method. Okay, that example you're supposed to mention. Similarly, age calculation program need to be written. Age calculation program, that is also important. Be using the concept of OOPS. Coming to the last module, that is web scraping and file formatting. So JSON example is important. Study about the JSON example. How to read the CSV file is to study both the programs. That is most important. It is repeated. I have seen in several question paper. That is what I deliberately put up at the first part of module number 5. Similarly, you need to study about the concept of beautiful soap. Meaning of beautiful soap. It is related to web application, web development. Then study about different methods. Under beautiful soap, we have to study find method, find all method. Similarly, Excel spreadsheet. How to link with the Excel spreadsheet. Use open pyx1 module. Then read the workbook, access the worksheet, read and write the cells, save the workbook. Similarly, CSV and JSON. Those methods you are too familiar. So meaning of web scraping. They may ask about what is the meaning of web scraping. Technique of automatically collecting the data from the website is known as web scraping. So simple answer. So no need to think too much. You can directly write the expression. Explain the steps for web scraping. That also shall be added in the answer. Send the request using the send the request using request. Download the HTML page. Parse HTML using beautiful soap. Similarly, extract required data, save the data. This is the way how to collect the information from the website. So we can make use of Python program to collect the information from the website. So in the textbook, you can see so many diagrams. Okay, so many diagrams, so that if you want, you can draw those diagrams also if you are comfortable. So this is actually the important part from module number 5. So if you have very limited time, please follow this concept. Module number 1, study features of Python, flow control, local versus global variable, exception handling, palindrome program, collapse program. Module 2, list method, dictionary and nested dictionary, string method, list replacement program. Module number 3, you have to study regex, symbol and character classes, find all method and sub methods, file handling process, phone and email extractor program. Module number 4 is study about the class and object. INIT and STR method is unavoidable. Polymorphism, inheritance, age calculator program will improve your confidence. And module number 5, web scraping steps. That is very important. So draw the diagram if possible. Beautiful soap, Excel using open pyx1, CSV and JSON. Any concept you can get the program, JSON program. That is very important. And at least you study repeated 15 questions. Worst case, because you are at the verge of appearing the examination. You don't have that much of time. So please follow these 15 questions from each module. I made a module. In the first column, serial number. Second column, expected question. Third column, you can see the module. I request you to take the screenshot if you want. Okay. So all the 15 questions are very high probable, most probable, 100% probability to ask in the examination. That means you will clear the subject without any problem. Including me, every question paper setter will take care of this question. That is a normal thing because these are the most important interview questions also. Okay, everywhere fundamentals are required. So top 15 questions you have to memorize, at least you have to note down, write down the program also. Practice these programs. If you want, you can execute and verify it. So that will improve your confidence as well as your way of understanding, because it's a practical oriented subject, right? So that is all from my side. So wish you all the very best. So follow this strategy. Surely you are going to pass the Python programming application development using Python, without any ambiguity. So follow this. My notes also you can refer. Even a series of videos I made it for you because of sake of simplicity. So make use of those videos and ask me any questions if you have. You can directly contact me through my mail ID that is already available in my channel details. Also description box also I'll put up for your reference. So thank you very much for watching this video and supporting me throughout my YouTube career. Happy learning. Wishing you all the very best. Thank you all.